It is the morning of Tuesday, March the 23rd, and we are looking at parts per million now. Yesterday we looked at percent concentration. Think about what the word percent means. That means per 100. We're now doing per 1 million, so it's the exact same thing as yesterday. So we're doing volume per volume, mass per volume, and mass per mass. Except for instead of 100, we're doing 1 million. A quick video on how to describe what parts per million is. There's a formula here that I don't go in as much detail as I did yesterday, and the reason I don't is it's exactly the same as yesterday, just with some different calculations in there. Now, why would we use parts per million as opposed to percent concentration? Parts per million are for chemicals that act in extremely small amounts, such as chlorine, which is in 3 parts per million in your swimming pool, which means for every 1 million molecules, only 3 of those are chlorine. Now, next thing I wanted to say here was the questions today, there's only 5 of them. They don't always use things where I think parts per million would be appropriate. Like I say, chlorine 3 parts per million in a swimming pool, that makes sense. Your numbers are going to be a little big today, but you'll get the idea of how to do the problem.